Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Good evening. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, February the 1st, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Well, why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Okay, the first one. The 3 Stars Sudoku. Well, the 3 Stars Sudoku number 7916. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, cannot believe this, 28 again. 28. Well, should be at 0 stars. Because usually the 3 stars has 25, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, 28, I think it's a 0 stars. And for 0 stars I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of 3s. Can I start with 3? That's the question. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. No. 3. No. 3, 3. No, I cannot continue with the 3. Well, surprising. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, 9 in the last row. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 9 in this big square. Should be there. Okay, 8, 8. Need a 1. And I need a 4 here. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are, so again, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. How about the 8s then? A lot of 8s. Then. No. Cannot continue with 8. Well, not true. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. So the 1 and the 4 are left in this big square. Let me mark those. Alright, and now, how about the 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9. 9, 9. Alright. No 9 here, 9, 9. That means we need a 9 there. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. And here can be a 9, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there we see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. And now, need a 1 here. Let me think. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. And a 9, I believe. Yeah. How about a 6? We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in the third column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Let me think. Need a 3 here. How about the 8 now? Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here another 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the only place left for 1 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the mass. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the minor 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Well, surprising. Okay. How about here then? 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. No, we have a 3 here. 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be in, a 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the matter. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And the 7s are used. I can see digital for number 7. And 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 cannot fill this yet. How about here, the 4 and the 9? We have a 4 here in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And 1 box left in this column for number 1. Then 1 box left in the second column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. 0 stars. Not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.